Hello guys, welcome to Joseph IT, your technology entertainer. Today in this tutorial of Joseph IT, I'm going to show you how to check your real YouTube earning on YouTube Creator Studio easily. If you don't know, then simply follow me. So if you don't have this studio in your mobile phone, then simply go to Play Store and search for YouTube Creator Studio. And as I have installed it, I need to open it. Simply install and open. Okay, now I am in my channel, and under analytics, as you can see, tap on view more and then revenue and your estimated revenue, and there you'll be able to find all the date remainings, such as the months January, February, March, and all the months that you can see here, and also for 28 days by default, 90 days and 365 days. Okay, I'm just going to check in March. Okay, as you can see that this is the earning that I have, and there all the dates are there, in which by tapping I can know the earnings, the actual earnings. And be noted that this is the actual and real earning that you are seeing. Okay, AdSense earning may vary. AdSense accounts earning gets minimized because of invalid activities, etc., and the minimized and the finalized earnings are being added to YouTube Creator Studio, and the earnings that you see here is the real one and it is the final one. And if I go to February, my earning was this, and in January it is like this. Okay, and for lifetime this earning. Okay, I just wanted to show you how to watch the earning from YouTube Creator Studio, the real one, and that was very simple, I think. And I hope that you really found this video useful. If you really did so, then please don't forget to like the video, share your experience and your suggestions on the comment box, and subscribe to the channel of Joseph IT. If you want any video from us on Android or computer tutorial, then please feel free to contact us on the comment box. Hope to see you in my next video tutorial. Until then, goodbye.